Hi everyone, welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Fashionista, where you get all about fashion and new trend related videos. So, with that, hope that you all are doing great and having fun in your life. We are back and we are back with another amazing video. So, as all of the girls love their hairs, and this is really a very important and very attractive part, or you may say a thing of your body, because hairs give you a whole glamorous look. If you ever have experience of getting a worse haircut, you will be agree with me that the worst haircut can ruin your entire cuteness, your entire personality. So one must be very curious and very concise about their decision of having a haircut. So today's video is all about different stylish haircuts styles for the women and the girls who have a long hairs, and they really want to trim their hair but they don't want to shorten the length of the hair. So in this video you will see some hair cutting designs and styling of haircuts for long hairs. If you have a long hair and you really don't want to make them shorter and you want to give yourself a good haircut and a good appearance, so this video is for you. You can easily select haircut style for yourself and you can get it done on you. Well, that was all about today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and um, also I want to tell you that if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe because it won't cost you a single penny. And if you are really interested in buying beautiful articles of footwears, like if you want to purchase heels, wedge heels, block heels, pencil heels, or joggers, comforter, sleepers, and all types of shoes, you can visit our channel and watch our previous videos, as we have uploaded amazing videos, and you can purchase them on a big discount. So do catch the discount rapidly. And also, if you want to purchase some two-piece or three-piece stitched shalwar kameez or kurta pajama, you can also check out those videos, and there's a playlist and you can check it. So yeah, if you want to have a short haircut, if you want to make your hair short, you can look at our haircutting playlist, from where you can check a beautiful short haircut style and you can opt any one for yourself. And I must say that sorry if you can't understand my English is not too much good. It's a bit bad. I'm trying to improve it and soon I'll speak good. But yeah, I hope so that I am able to convey you my message. So that was all about today's video. Hope you like it. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.